All right, let's talk a little bit about FedEx. You know what we'll do is we'll actually start with the chart here. Let's go back to Pro, pull up FedEx. This is what we're looking at here. FedEx 228. This is actually only up by 0.6% here. Look at that. So you had a nice little pop on an earnings beat yesterday. Looks like we're giving a lot of that back, almost round tripped this entire thing. One of the things for a trade that I'll be looking at here right out of the open, does this come back to about flat and then maybe bounce from this area? If it breaks down from this area, maybe we'll have a trade to the downside here. When we take a look at the daily chart, the picture becomes a little bit more clear. One of the things that we had done yesterday post-report is we actually popped above several of these moving averages. I think it went right to the 200, right? Look at that. 244 was the impulse move high on that very first impulse move when the data was released. This stock went right to the 200. It went right to 240. Now, I understand it took a little leg higher there in the after hours, then pulled back, and obviously it's pulling back more here today. But this 200 day, this absolutely represents a target if we can get any type of firm upside action here, ticker FDX, FedEx. The other thing is that where the price has pulled back to now, we're basically flirting with the 20-day and the 50-day. The 20-day is 228.17, the 50-day is 228.81, and the current price right now is smack dab in the middle there, 228.50. So these are going to be our important levels without a doubt here today. I want to see how much volume FedEx has around the opening print as well. And we'll see if there's actually a trade for us here. Again, ticker FDX. All right. A logistics company, FedEx, is aiming to make the most of the large volumes of data it generates every day, with CEO Raj Subramanian, calling the company's logistics data set one of the most valuable in the world. Speaking on the company's fiscal first quarter earnings call, Subramanian said, "We moved 17 million packages through our network daily, generating 2 petabytes of data and 100 billion transactions across software applications. More importantly," he said, "our position is at the intersection of global commerce, and it gives us an unmatched view of physical supply chain patterns, seasonal demand shifts, and emerging trade corridors." FedEx has been working to build what it calls a, quote, advanced digital twin, end quote, Subramanian described as, quote, an intelligent system that anticipates disruptions, provides optimized route information in real time, and creates predictive customer experiences, end quote. The company believes its extensive operational data is becoming a critical asset in the AI era. Quote, the fuel for AI is data, adding that FedEx has been organizing and engineering its data on a platform basis since 2020. Quote, simply put, FedEx owns one of the richest logistics intelligent assets in the world, end quote. It also is worth noting here, we talk about the Benzinga proprietary rankings that you can get in Edge, QR codes at the top of the screen, or the full-blown scanning capability that you can get with Benzinga Pro. FedEx rates 87.3 on growth and 79.98 on value. Not much momentum now, a little bit lower on the quality scale, but has an intact short and medium-term trend. So let me know if any of you folks are looking to trade FedEx here today, or if there's any type of thought that you have generated from what you saw here with FedEx and how that can maybe go into the rest of the market here.